What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos. करो करो So this is the windshield treatment. If you actually check, look on the right hand side, this side. If you look on the right hand side, the water is just sticking to the glass, and look on the left hand side. If you consider the middle part of the screen, the left hand side is coated, the right hand side is not coated. So this is the difference after the coating. The water just slides off and doesn't stay, and look here, you get distortion here. On the left hand side you have no distortion, and on the right hand side you have a lot of distortion. This is the difference between the treated and non-treated.